Hi, in this video we're going to set up an application with Passport and add user registration by an API. We are going to use JSON API auth package. It adds all the authentication scaffold for an API. It works pretty similar to Laravel UI or Laravel Breeze, but for APIs. It adds user registration, it adds a login, logout, forgot password, email verification, and password verification. And it works with Laravel Passport and Laravel Sanctum. Okay, first we need a fresh Laravel application. My application is Passport app, and I have a database, Passport app, so I am ready to start. First, we're going to install Passport. Okay, we need to use Composer to install Passport. Then we need to migrate the database. Okay. Then we are going to use this command to install Passport and create tokens. We have two personal client IDs, and then we need to add the has API tokens on the user model. So here we are going to add has API tokens from Laravel Passport. We're going to save. Then we need to go to auth service provider and add this passport routes method in the boot method. So passport routes. We need to take care about the namespace. It's Laravel passport. Well, then we need to go to config auth.php, and we need to go to search the guards and the API guard. We have token, and we need to change this token for passport. So with this, we are ready to use Laravel Passport. Okay, then we're going to install the package. Here in the installation, we can copy the command to install the package with Composer. Well, then we can go to the docs and copy the command to add all the scaffold, all the authentication, and we have all the routes ready to use. Here we can see the method, the URI, and the name of the route. All the names of the routes have the prefix JSON API auth and the traditional routes names from Laravel UI or Laravel Breeze, but with this prefix. That is useful to avoid problems if you have already an authentication with Laravel UI or Laravel Breeze. Well, then we have new route controllers, from requests, and notifications. We can see everything here. We have controllers, we have some traits, some interfaces, we have some form requests. All follow the convention to be stored in a JSON API auth directory. We have routes. The routes are in JSON API auth folder, but they are required in API.php. Okay, so now we can register a user. I have an endpoint here in Passport. My URL is passport app.test. This is the name of the app, followed by the .test domain. And my route, if I see, is to register a user is API/register. So I follow the convention /API/register, and I can add users by sending form data inputs. But I will first show you that the package can validate different fields. So you need to have correct data and correct fields and pass all the fields that are required, and we can create a user and it returns a token. This is a JWT token, so we can use Passport for this. We have all these inputs, but if we try to send or create another user, it validates that we cannot do it because the email has already been taken, and we have more validations like email format and that the password and confirmation password match. So you can review in more detail everything. Now we can go to the database and we could see in the user table that we have John Doe, and in auth access tokens table I have one token available. So the user registration is now available and I have a JWT token ready to use.